The following video is being created to provide faculty with instructions on how to begin using the Panopto Lecture Tool. Let's get started. Accessing Panopto from Blackboard. First, if you have not done so and you are using a college computer, you will need to request information services to install Panopto on your computer. Assuming you've already done so, go ahead and go to your Blackboard course shell. Once inside the course you've selected, from the course menu, click the plus icon located in the upper left-hand corner. Select Tool Link. From the menu that appears, scroll down to locate Panopto Course Tool Application. Select it. Provide a name for the tool link. I would suggest Panopto Lecture Capture. The tool link should be located in your course menu now, on the left-hand side of your screen. Check the box for Available to Users. If you want students to access or to have access to this tool link, click Submit. If this is your first time using Panopto, you will be asked to provision the course. This is a one-time setup. To provision your course, click the Panopto link you just added to your course menu. You will see a message that says your course has not been provisioned in Panopto yet. Click the Configure button on the page that appears. On the next page, click the button Add Course to Panopto. You will see the provisioning results. If you see the last line of the results as Successfully Provisioned Course, you are good to go. Click the button Return to your course and go to Blackboard. When you click on the Panopto link this time, you will see your Panopto video library. To start recording in Panopto, it's best to click the Panopto link from the course you want to record your video to. This ensures that the video for that course will be uploaded and saved to the Panopto Videos folder for that course. Let's start. Go to your Blackboard course and select the Panopto link from the course menu. From the Panopto video library, click the Create button and select Record a new session. If prompted, select Open Panopto. When Panopto opens, provide a name and check your primary sources such as webcam feed and audio feed. If you want to record your screen, make sure Capture Main Screen is selected. When you are ready to record, click the red Record icon. Once your recording has started, that icon will change into pause and stop. When you're done recording, go back to the Panopto window and press the stop button. You will be notified that recording is complete. Click Done to upload the video. You will see progress bars in the Panopto window. When the video has been successfully uploaded in Panopto, and you will receive an email notification. Sharing your Panopto video in your Blackboard course. There's two ways you can share your Panopto video in your class. The first one is to just let your students access the Panopto video library in your course. And they can access all of the course videos that are saved in that course's Panopto folder. The second way is you can add a Panopto video in any content area of your course by utilizing the Panopto Video Mashup button. To add Panopto video in your course as a mashup, navigate to an editor for a discussion forum, content area, or announcement. Click the Mashups dropdown. Select Panopto Video from the drop-down menu. A new page will load that will allow you to select an existing video, upload new content, or record with the Panopto for Windows or Mac client. If you already have the video recorded, choose the video from the list by selecting the radio button beside the thumbnail. Click the Insert Video button. If you have any questions or need any further information, feel free to contact Online Education Services or the Center for Teaching Excellence.